Good morning, children. How are you all? I think you are all fine and you are safe from the COVID. Children, today again revision only. You have to write this Kannada Varnamala in the classwork notebook 5 times. This is only I am giving the Kannada Varnamala for the exam, and the project work is in the chart. You have to write neatly to la. Kannada Varnamala you should write in the chart. That is the project work, 25 marks, and the writing part is 25 marks. The project marks also will be added in this, children. Okay, shall we start the class? I will read it. See, a I U ru e I o au aha k kha g gha nya cha cha ja ja inya tha tha d dha na tha tha dha da na. So this one in your classwork notebooks you write 5 times. In this only I am giving the missing letters and match the following odd one everything. So you should be thorough of the art to now. And another one, children, those who didn't buy the books, those who didn't pay the fees, we are going to remove from the group. So those who still didn't pay the first term fees and the books, at least you buy the books, children. Please buy the books and join for the exam. Otherwise I am helpless. I will remove the name. I am feeling very bad. Please, children, at least little amount you can pay. No, inform your parents, children. And in the workbook note, children, everyone, those who are attending the live classes know from A to Na in the Kannada workbook you should write, and you have to send me the pictures, and tomorrow onwards exam will be there. So this one you write in the classwork notebook 5 times, and in the slate also I gave the practice in the online classes. So this is the revision, and tomorrow onwards no revision, nothing, direct we will conduct the exam. You should attend it. So do the exam very well, children. Again I will read. See, I u ru e I o au aha kha kha gha gha nya cha cha ja ja inya tha tha dha dha na tha tha dha dha na. Children, I think you will do the exam very well. So please write neatly in the answer sheet. Understood? I will send the question paper through the how last time I done in the test, same as it is I will send in the WhatsApp. You write neatly. After the each mail, please give the gap to do the correction. All together you write means it is very difficult for me to do the correction. Understood? So each main finish you leave little bit gap, then we can do the correction easily, and I will give the marks. And don't forget in holidays to make the project work. After the exam finish, you do the project work in the drawing. The drawing sheet is there, no? In that you write R2 kg cardboard is there, no? In that you write R2 La Varnamala and send the pictures. If it is those who will do it nicely, for them they will get out of out marks. Okay, children. So all the best for tomorrow exam. Learn and write. Take your own time and attend the exam. Thank you very much, children. God bless you. All the best.